Hey y'all, you know I'm always excited every time I know I'm gonna get to be with y'all, even if it is in this form. But I am especially happy today to be here with y'all because guess what? I have got a recipe that came from above the Mason-Dixon line. You know, I got all kind of Southern recipes, but Eddie was telling me about this wonderful dip that his mother made this time of year. Well, I said, I want to make it. I want to make it. So I'm just really excited, y'all. So Eddie, all I do is take these ingredients and just stir them up together.
Just mix it all together.
You don't layer it or anything. Okay, so y'all, here's what it is. 2 cans of dark red kidney beans drained. 1 8-ounce container of sour cream. 1 cup of mayo. 1 jar of sweet pepper relish. A small onion chopped. A clove of garlic chopped real fine, or garlic powder. I'm going to use the garlic powder. A little, and then salt and pepper to taste. And you just mix it, all that stuff together. And Eddie, you just serve this in maybe a pretty bowl.
Yeah, it's just with crackers. You know,
Just with crackers.
It's a kind of an old-fashioned restaurant recipe.
Oh yeah, you were telling me.
It was called the Chateau up in Manchester. And
The Chateau, that sounds awfully fancy.
we would.
To be using a can of red beans.
It was just something they, just brought to your table when you sat down.
Instead of bread.
Right. Well, yeah. I guess they. I think they.
Did they bring you crackers with it?
They did. Yes.
Well, I can't wait to taste this. And this recipe is right up my alley because you've got all this stuff in your pantry. You may have to go get the red beans, but I mean, you got the onion, and you may have to go get the sweet pepper relish. Right, there's my 2 cans of red beans. I got a light red and a dark red, but it doesn't matter. So long as you got your beans. All right, and in goes the sweet pepper relish. And in goes the garlic powder. And I think that'll probably be enough. And then salt and pepper. Now this is the spot where Michael would want me to put like a half of a cup of pepper. Right, Michael?
I don't even know what you're making.
I'm making a bean dip that came from a famous restaurant. Was the restaurant famous, Eddie?
I don't know that it was famous. It was just an old restaurant that was in town.
And you know how when you go into a restaurant, they'll bring you a basket of bread or something like that, Michael? Well, they brought you a bowl of this dip along with some crackers. So was it supposed to be like this thin, Eddie?
Yeah.
Was it Savannah or?
No.
Hampshire?
It was up north. There's a cracker for everyone. Uh-oh, I left Teresa out. Teresa, come get you a cracker, honey. This recipe came from above the Mason-Dixon line. It came from New Hampshire. Oh my Lord. Dang. That's good.
And let it sit, it's really gonna be.
Yes. And when you put it back in the refrigerator, Eddie, that is so dadgum good.
I was about to say, don't say a bad word.
Good, Michael.
That's good.
Eat you some more. So Carol is Eddie's mama. And I got upside down. She actually sent this to you, didn't she, Eddie?
Yes, she did.
So we need to put his mother's name on it so he can keep it forever. And guess what? She didn't just send one recipe. She sent another. So in the next video or little show, whatever y'all decide to call me, we still don't have a name, do we, for the new show?
We're working on it.
But, yeah.
We're working on it.
I appreciate y'all have sent some ideas. Instead of calling it the quarantine video cooking, what do we call it? Quarantine cooking. We're gonna come up with a new thing, because when the quarantine's over, I'm still gonna be here with y'all. As long as y'all will let me in your door, I'm gonna be there. So love and best dishes to all of y'all. So put this on your calendar to make sometimes over the Christmas holidays. Easy. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.